Before starting, put the auto-generated YouTube subtitles in French or your mother tongue to get everything, and slow down or speed up the pace as needed. If you don't have time to watch it, just listen this video as a podcast while doing something else. Now listen and learn English as exploring our world. High above the world, airplanes connect continents and cultures. But sometimes tragedy strikes and an airplane is lost, leaving behind questions and heartbreak. In those dark hours, we turn to the silent witnesses of the sky, the black boxes. These devices, often painted bright orange, hold the key to understanding what went wrong. Join us as we delve into the world of black boxes, exploring their crucial role in unraveling aviation mysteries. Two types of black boxes reside in most commercial aircraft: the cockpit voice recorder (CVR) and the flight data recorder (FDR). The CVR captures cockpit conversations and sounds, providing insights into the pilot's actions. The FDR records hundreds of parameters, creating a detailed technical record of the aircraft's behavior. Together, they paint a comprehensive picture of what transpired in the critical moments leading up to an incident. This knowledge is used to improve safety protocols, enhance aircraft design, and prevent future accidents. The cockpit voice recorder, or CVR, captures the raw sounds and conversations within the cockpit. This device records everything from pilot conversations to alarms, stored on crash-protected memory units. Investigators analyze these recordings to gain insights into the crew's actions and decisions. The CVR provides a unique human element, revealing levels of stress or confusion that might not be evident from data alone. By listening to these echoes, investigators can piece together a more complete picture of what unfolded. The flight data recorder, or FDR, serves as the aircraft's silent chronicler, documenting its every move. This device records hundreds of parameters, creating a detailed logbook of the aircraft's performance. The FDR provides investigators with a comprehensive understanding of the aircraft's behavior leading up to an incident. By analyzing the data, investigators can identify potential mechanical failures or environmental factors. The FDR's detailed chronicle is essential in identifying the root cause of an aviation incident. In the aftermath of an aviation accident, the black boxes stand as beacons of hope. These devices are engineered to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring the survival of crucial data. The heart of a black box is its crash-survivable memory unit, encased within multiple layers of protection. Equipped with underwater locator beacons, they emit signals to guide search teams to the wreckage. The durability of black boxes is a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to learning from tragedy. On June 1, 2009, Air France Flight 447 vanished from radar screens. Its last message a cryptic sequence of failure alerts. The initial search efforts, hampered by the remoteness of the crash site, proved slow and frustrating. Families of the passengers clung to fading hopes, desperate for answers. Theories abounded, but without the black boxes, the truth remained elusive. The tragedy sent shockwaves throughout the aviation industry, prompting a renewed focus on safety protocols. As the surface search for Flight 447 yielded no trace, the focus shifted to the ocean floor. The crash site, located in a remote stretch of the Atlantic, presented formidable challenges. An international team of experts embarked on a painstaking search of the seabed. After nearly 2 years, the wreckage was located, offering hope that the mystery could be unraveled. The black boxes, with limited battery life, became the top priority for retrieval. The discovery of the wreckage was just the first step in retrieving the black boxes. The teams deployed ROVs to navigate the terrain and extract the black boxes from the debris. Both the cockpit voice recorder and the flight data recorder were successfully recovered. The black boxes were transported to a specialized laboratory for examination. The world held its breath, hoping the black boxes would shed light on the fate of Flight 447. The data from the black boxes of Flight 447 painted a chilling picture of the final moments. A perfect storm of factors, both mechanical and human, led to the tragedy. The investigation revealed a chain of events that culminated in the aircraft's descent into the Atlantic. The tragedy highlighted the importance of pilot training and improved safety protocols. The lessons learned continue to shape the industry, a testament to the enduring impact of the black boxes. Descent into despair. On March 24, 2015, Germanwings Flight 9525 embarked on a routine journey from Barcelona to Dusseldorf. The Airbus A320 carried 144 passengers and 6 crew members. As the plane reached cruising altitude over the French Alps, nothing seemed amiss. But in the cockpit, co-pilot Andreas Lubitz harbored a chilling plan. Battling undisclosed mental health issues, Lubitz locked the cockpit door and initiated a controlled descent. Passengers, unaware, continued their conversations, oblivious to the impending doom. Section 2. The cockpit's chilling silence. Unmasking a tragedy. Investigators descended upon the crash site to recover the black boxes and unlock the mystery behind Germanwings Flight 9525. The CVR held the key to understanding Lubitz's actions. The recovered CVR revealed a chilling narrative. The captain's voice is heard leaving the cockpit, the door closing behind him. What followed was a period of eerie silence. The captain's muffled voice, attempting to re-enter the cockpit, grew urgent. The CVR captured the final terrifying moments, the passengers' screams piercing through the silence. The recording ended abruptly with the sound of impact, a chilling testament to the tragedy. Strengthening the barriers. The Germanwings Flight 9525 crash prompted a global reassessment of pilot mental health and cockpit security. The tragedy highlighted the human element in aviation safety. Authorities swiftly implemented changes, including the rule of 2 in the cockpit. Focus on pilot mental health increased, with stricter screenings and support programs. The legacy of the crash is a reminder of the importance of addressing mental health in aviation. Section 1. A routine transatlantic crossing from takeoff to trouble. On September 2, 1998, Swiss Air Flight 111 embarked on a routine journey from New York to Geneva. The MD-11 carried 215 passengers and 14 crew members, all anticipating a smooth flight. As the aircraft climbed, the lights of the eastern seaboard twinkled below. Passengers settled in, some reading, others conversing, while children gazed out the windows. Little did they know, a silent threat was brewing, transforming their flight into a struggle for survival. Section 2. Smoke and static. The shadow of disaster emerges. Electrical trouble escalated into a crisis. Acrid smoke began to seep into the cockpit. Pilots donned oxygen masks, illuminated by emergency lighting. They worked through checklists, voices calm despite the chaos. The CVR captured their desperate attempts to regain control. Their voices remained steady as they relayed their predicament. Swiss Air 111, pan, 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 the captain's voice crackled. Section 3. The final plunge. Black boxes reveal a race against time. The black boxes, recovered from the depths of the Atlantic, revealed the harrowing final moments of Swiss Air Flight 111. The data painted a picture of a crew battling bravely against overwhelming odds. The FDR data showed the aircraft's desperate descent, its altitude plummeting. The CVR captured the sounds of chaos, the frantic flipping of switches, and the cries of passengers. Despite their best efforts, the pilots were unable to overcome the catastrophic electrical failure. The final moments were a cacophony of alarms and the sickening sound of metal twisting as the aircraft plunged into the Atlantic. The black boxes provided crucial insights into the chain of events, highlighting the importance of improved safety measures. The loss of Swiss Air Flight 111 was a tragedy that sent shockwaves throughout the aviation industry. The black boxes, silent witnesses to the horror, provided a voice to the victims and a valuable lesson to the world. A flight lost over the Mediterranean. On May 19, 2016, Egypt Air Flight 804 vanished from radar. The Airbus A320, en route from Paris to Cairo, disappeared with 56 passengers and 10 crew members. Search and rescue teams scoured the Mediterranean, but no distress call or wreckage was found. Theories ranged from technical malfunctions to terrorism, but the mystery remained unsolved. The disappearance of Flight 804 remains a haunting enigma, impacting many lives. The search for answers led investigators to the depths of the Mediterranean Sea. Locating the wreckage of Flight 804 became a top priority as it held the crucial black boxes, the CVR and FDR, which could provide vital insights into the events leading up to the tragedy. After weeks of searching, using sophisticated sonar equipment and remotely operated vehicles, debris from the aircraft was found scattered across a wide area of the seabed. The recovery of the black boxes, though significantly damaged, offered a glimmer of hope. Despite the challenges posed by the depth and condition of the recording devices, specialists were able to extract partial data, providing fragments of information that began to piece together a partial narrative of the flight's final moments. The data retrieved from the FDR revealed a rapid and chaotic sequence of events. The aircraft's systems registered multiple warnings, indicating smoke detected in the lavatory and avionics bay, crucial areas housing sensitive electronics and flight control systems. The data also showed an abrupt change in the aircraft's flight path, suggesting a possible struggle for control. The CVR, though partially recovered, provided chilling audio snippets. While a complete transcript couldn't be reconstructed, the recordings captured sounds of alarms blaring, the hiss of oxygen masks deploying, and muffled voices in the cockpit, suggesting a desperate attempt to manage a rapidly deteriorating situation. Despite the clues gleaned from the black boxes, the investigation into the crash of Egypt Air Flight 804 has been plagued by challenges, leaving many questions unanswered. The partial data recovered from the damaged recorders painted an incomplete picture, leaving investigators to grapple with gaps in the timeline and a lack of definitive answers. The evidence of smoke in the lavatory and avionics bay pointed towards a possible fire, but the exact cause of the fire remained elusive. The investigation explored various possibilities, including an electrical malfunction, an overheated device, or even a deliberate act, but without conclusive evidence, the origin of the fire remained undetermined. The CVR recordings, while capturing the chaos and urgency of the situation, did not provide definitive answers about the pilot's actions or conversations in the crucial moments leading up to the crash. The partial recordings, combined with the lack of a distress call, left investigators to speculate about the nature of the emergency and the pilot's response. The crash of Egypt Air Flight 804 serves as a stark reminder of the complexities of aviation accidents and the challenges investigators face in piecing together fragmentary evidence to determine the cause of such tragedies. Despite the advancements in technology and safety protocols, some aviation disasters remain shrouded in mystery, leaving behind a legacy of unanswered questions and a profound sense of loss. In the chaotic aftermath of an aviation accident, black boxes emerge as beacons of truth. Their bright orange casings stand out against the wreckage. They are the silent witnesses, keepers of crucial data. Black boxes offer an unbiased account of a flight's final moments. The CVR captures cockpit conversations and sounds. The FDR logs technical data, revealing anomalies. This information helps understand not just what happened, but why. Black boxes transform tragedy into a learning opportunity, improving aviation safety. The legacy of black boxes extends far beyond accidents. They revolutionized aviation safety, leading to advancements in aircraft design, pilot training, and air traffic control. Every decoded recording contributes to a safer future for air travel. Black boxes significantly enhance pilot training. Analyzing recordings helps identify errors and improve training. This leads to better emergency handling and decision-making. Black box data improves aircraft design and maintenance. Identifying flaws helps develop safer aircraft. Maintenance protocols are refined based on findings. Black boxes have made air travel the safest mode of transportation. Their legacy is continuous improvement, making skies safer. The depths of despair. Finding the hidden recorders. Black boxes are built to withstand incredible forces, but their recovery is not always guaranteed. Locating black boxes becomes a race against time, a desperate search against the unforgiving depths. Equipped with beacons, their pings fade with each passing day. The pressure at such depths can crush even the most robust equipment. The wreckage, scattered by impact and currents, makes retrieval akin to finding a needle in a haystack. Technological triumphs, overcoming the obstacles. Human ingenuity and technological advancements have led to remarkable successes in retrieving black boxes from even the most unforgiving environments. Advanced sonar systems enable search teams to identify potential wreckage sites with greater accuracy. Highly maneuverable ROVs, equipped with powerful lights, high-definition cameras, and delicate manipulator arms, have revolutionized underwater exploration. Every successful recovery is a testament to human ingenuity, a triumph of technology over nature's obstacles. A legacy etched in steel, honoring the lost, protecting the future. The stories in black boxes remind us of the human cost of aviation accidents. Behind every data point are individuals with hopes and dreams. From these tragedies we learn, black boxes provide knowledge to prevent future accidents, shaping a future where such tragedies are rare, honoring memories by striving for the highest standards of aviation safety. The unending pursuit towards a safer tomorrow in the skies. As technology advances, we stand on the cusp of even greater breakthroughs in aviation safety. The black boxes of tomorrow will be even more resilient, capturing even more data with greater precision. Researchers are exploring new materials and advanced sensors to enhance these crucial devices. Imagine a future with real-time data streaming, transmitting vital information to ground stations. AI could analyze data in real time, providing pilots with early warnings to avert emergencies. The possibilities are limitless, driven by an unwavering dedication to making air travel as safe as possible.